Gee. Got this. Yo. Kinda feeling sprung around there. Shower Mali, drowsy. You know what I'm saying. Let me tell you what I'm saying, no drowsy like. Light skin, always looking quite slim, preferring the nights out more than the nights in. This is the girl that I'm wifing, intelligent, sexy. Know that her brains in when you see her in the night. I swear down it's frightening. Moon and the lightning connect like the Bluetooth. Love reading books, the good cook. Never shook every time I think of her. I swear down my brains. Never mind me, I'm still in the fantasies. I can see me and you dating me. I'm hypnotized, little bit mesmerized. You're looking no texturized. As I memorize your face and your eyes, your backside got you sitting in the front seat on my ride. Like baby, let's ride now. Let's ride now.
Birds and the bees, I wanted ice, so I made the hands freeze. She got a shine when she falling with me. X6 with the fitted hands free. Birds and the bees, I wanted ice, so I made the hands freeze. She got a shine when she falling with me. X6 with the fitted hands free.
Yo, I'm a grown man, baby, no time for games. You can tell me what you're saying, cause I'm saying the same. I know you feeling what I'm saying, cause we cuddled up the puddle up the pull of the sweat. We sexy, baby, and no regrets, no fret. I ain't busting a sweat, and you know that I got you wet. How did I turn a dream into reality? Boo-boo, you're bad for my teeth like cavity. Flush back when we're losing the gravity. Oops, I mean your virginity, but you know that I mean it distinctively. Me and you, we something out of the world, like space, maybe like E.T.
Birds and the bees, I wanted ice, so I made the house freeze. She got a shine when she rolling with me. X6 with the fitted hands free. Birds and the bees, I wanted ice, so I made the hands freeze. She got a shine when she rolling with me. X6 with the fitted hands free.